The role of RPA in data migration projects. RPA refers to software bots. They mimic human actions to perform tasks in digital environments. These bots can interact with apps, manipulate data, and run workflows. So, they are ideal for the repetitive tasks of data migration. How RPA facilitates different stages of data migration. Data extraction. RPA bots extract data from multiple sources. These include databases, legacy systems, and cloud storage. They can handle any file format or location. Bots ensure accuracy in data collection. Data transformation. During migration, data often needs a format change for the target system. RPA cleanses and standardizes data to meet target system requirements. Monitoring and reporting. RPA monitors in real time and generates detailed reports. This lets stakeholders track the migration's progress and fix issues quickly. Legacy system upgrades. Organizations often upgrade from outdated legacy systems to modern platforms. RPA ensures a smooth migration. It extracts data from legacy systems without complex integration efforts. Cloud migration. As businesses move to the cloud, RPA automates data transfers. It ensures compliance with standards like GDPR and HIPAA. Mergers and acquisitions. During mergers, RPA helps combine data from multiple systems into a single platform. It maintains data integrity and consistency. ERP system migration. Migrating to new ERP systems like SAP or Oracle is complex. RPA simplifies the process by automating data extraction, transformation, and validation. Banking and financial data migration. Banks use RPA for secure data transfers. This is during system migrations or new tech onboarding. It ensures compliance with strict regulations. Conclusion. In conclusion, RPA is revolutionizing data migration projects. It automates repetitive tasks, ensures data accuracy, and minimizes disruptions. RPA is a strong solution for businesses of all sizes.